Transform your living space with stunning 3D designs. Experience the elegance of 3D wallpapers. Give your walls a touch of modern art. 3D epoxy floors that redefine luxury. Durable, stylish, and easy to maintain. Step into a world of vibrant colors and patterns. Starting at just 140 BDT per square foot for 3D wallpapers. Enhance the aesthetic appeal of any room. Your space, your style. Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Personalize your interior like never before. Special bonus. Free design consultation with every order. Installation is quick and hassle-free. Our expert team ensures a flawless finish. High-quality materials that stand the test of time. Luxury at an affordable price. Invest in your dream space today. Exclusive, limited stock available. Don't miss out. See the difference with 3D views. Join our satisfied customers today. Act now and receive a free sample with your purchase. Contact us for a free consultation. Transform your space with 3D views. Visit our showroom to explore our collections. Find the perfect match for your interior. Let our designs inspire you. Elegant, unique, and tailored to your taste. Elevate your space with 3D epoxy floors. Make a lasting impression. Ready to transform your space? Call us today for more details. Your satisfaction is our priority. 3D views, redefining interior design. Your dream space awaits. Thank you for choosing 3D views. For inquiries and orders, contact us at phone plus 880-161-172-2224 plus 880-192-478-9204 / office address K 119/A Kareel Bisol Road. Take Ek 229 Bangladesh. Visit us on Facebook, facebook.com/3dviewsltd.